बेहतरीन खेली है टीम, अभी तक हारी नहीं है, हारने के करीब एक बार आई, वो भी एलएमएस के अगेंस्ट, और जेसन रॉय ले डूबा इनको के
मारा मारी।
मारा मारी।
या
और पोलार्ड बिल्कुल कॉन्फिडेंट, सो इज स्टीव स्मिथ। लेट्स सी, मैच ऑफिशियल्स आज भी नहीं आए, ऑस्ट्रेलिया भी नहीं जा रहे, कहीं नहीं जा
फाइनल्स में भी नहीं आया मैच
रहे। लीग
ऑफिशियल।
मास्टर्स वन द टॉस।
डैम भाई, चेस कर लो भाई, लीग मास्टर चेस कर लो।
दे हैव चोजन टू बॉल।
आई वांटेड दिस।
It's the first ball of the DNU second edition finals. Wait, ये कौन बॉलिंग कर रहा है?
परेरा।
कुशाल परेरा तो जितने गुस्से में लास्ट टाइम था ना।
या ट्रू, भूत आ गए उसके अंदर। I did watch the replay of the semi-finals 2-3 times. Oh my god. Wonderful. First maiden डाल दो finals में, that's it. Maiden over यार।
और स्टैंडर्ड पिच है, मतलब पिच भी मैंने इसलिए बोला स्टैंडर्ड रखते हैं कि हाँ फाइनली कम ऑन गाइस।
थोड़ा जान आएगी। That's a 6 is it?
फोर। कुशाल परेरा का वो था यार, गया। आई थिंक दिस इज अ 6।
अरे आराम से, दिस आउट ऑफ ग्राउंड देखो, इट्स आउट ऑफ ग्राउंड रहे थे तो आई थिंक। अरे 6 यार,
6।
ये लोग क्लैप्स कर 4। अच्छा, आर दे these guys are clapping, did you see this?
हाँ
They're not actually वो whistling hooting कुछ नहीं हो रहा, like just
हाँ।
clapping।
थोड़ा बहुत ही सिविलाइज क्राउड है।
परफॉर्म करेगा या नहीं भी, उसके ऊपर बहुत एक्सपेक्टेशंस है ये फाइनल्स में।
हाँ, पर परेरा तो अंडर प्रेशर है, सीधा सीधा लग रहा है। वो नहीं भाई, ही इज नॉट पिकिंग अप स्पिन एट ऑल।
बोरिस को हटाओ।
फाइनली ऑफ द मार्क परेरा।
सिंगल मिल गया उसको।
ये क्या फील्डिंग है ऑफ साइड, कैन यू सी व्हाट्स
या ओह
ये फील्डर क्या,
यार,
मिड ऑफ पूरा खाली।
विद कुशाल परेरा।
कुशाल परेरा को कृष्णा सही छोड़ेगा नहीं इसको। ये क्या हुआ?
4 is it? नहीं।
हाउ डिड इट मिस द स्टंप्स मैन? लुक एट दिस, हाउ क्लोज दिस इज। हाँ, he thought के this is going to hit the stumps. Nice shot यार, might be.
That's 4।
Why not take another spinner or somebody else? This is a good shot. You missed the first match, man.
Krish Mikey always missing out on the important
We
part.
got third over. Stark
Another
is
four.
bowling for third over.
President sir,
Jason Roy and Pereira met yesterday. अच्छा हाँ, वो लग रहा है वो।
लग रहा है सेम लग रहा है।
ओ भाई, ये आदमी तो ले डूबेगा इनको।
I'm just joking, don't take it seriously, okay? Come on. Oh यार,
बोला था। He came out of nowhere and he performed like that. Right? It's gonna be very, because अगर ये नहीं खेल पा रहा तो हो सकता है एलएमएस का भी कोई एक ओपनर जो है ना वो ये
Simmons।
हाँ, even Pant can do it, और you never know, even Pollard can do it.
अरे यार,
कुछ भी हो सकता है, मतलब इस टूर्नामेंट में।
true।
क्या 10 ओवर क्रिकेट है यार, कम ऑन।
Maiden
Is
over
that
है
a
क्या
maiden
बाबू?
over?
Maiden over है बाबू, it is maiden over।
Oh, strategic timeout brought to you by Vaibhav Menswear. That's what Pradeep suggested. Here is strategic timeout is over. Line is
First
back.
ball। Oh, that's a 4 यार।
इसके परेरा आउट नहीं हुआ ना तो मसला हो गया। परेरा has to go because they have good batting down the order. क्या? और ये फिंच गया।
Oh यार,
Finch is gone, dude. The mic bathroom because of nervousness. कि यार ये क्या? अरे boss, what is that shot? इतनी बॉलिंग खा गया है परेरा। It means के स्कोर इतना हाई स्कोर लग नहीं रहा।
Yeah, Kushal
not
Pereira and
something
Tamim Iqbal, 2 lefties. Nathan Lyon loves lefties.
Shot.
Oh my
Finally.
god, that's a good shot. Who is a PC?
Yeah.
46 over to 5.3.
Shot. It's a.
Out है।
Dude,
out
catch.
है।
It was Malinga, I think. It was Malinga.
Riddling है शायद।
Yeah. Wow.
Oh my god, good catch.
Oh, this might be actually
Blessing in disguise. Spider Venom guy. Hi, hello.
shot. This is 4.
Oh, you called it. That's
It's 6. Nice one. Unexpected. Here comes Shakib after one maiden over.
Oh, good fielding, yeah.
Look at this fielding.
Is that the first 2 of the match or the second 2 of the
I think
match?
second. If LMS spinners are doing so well, Hellboys have a lot of spinners.
Yeah, Umar, can you?
Oh, dropped. And look at this. This was straightforward catch. Malinga was taking that running catch उससे पहले when he caught Pereira, I think. And this he dropped. Was it Steve Smith? Yeah. And dropping Steve Smith is crime, I would say. The way he has been batting in this tournament. Another six. इसके बाद होगा मुजरा.
Mujras. Gone.
Who is gone?
Plumbe.
Steve Smith.
Plumb.
Can you
Steve
believe
Smith.
this?
Yeah.
Can you fucking believe this? This is the final of TNU and Hellboys, who have been invincible throughout this tournament. Nobody has been able to beat them. Are struggling badly. Less than 10 and well, still over 10 and over, but I think the score is lower. Oh, another one goes to the slips. Not very good fielding, but what is going on with Hellboys today? Hellboys are under extreme pressure right now. Never seen that happen.
I was saying throughout the tournament there will be one bad day. Is this the bad day?
Whom I play with
Nice.
Fortnite with. And
आउट है क्या कर रहा है अरे ढक्कन इंसान क्या कर रहा है सो गया है पिच के विकेट कीपर सो गया है
was this a white ball though?
नहीं उसने एज किया तो ये drop.
First he dropped, then he forgot that he can even stump him.
ये क्या है ऋषभ पंत ड्रॉप द कैच एंड स्टंप भी मिस कर दिया
This is nothing short of another crime. Look.
This tournament we saw some अजीब गजीब situations. एक first one was Chris Gayle who pulled the ball with his legs, and this one.
Any expert opinions about expert opinions? भाई मैं नहीं हूँ expert. I'm not an expert dude.
मैंने भी सिमुलेट किया बट इतना बुरी तरह से नहीं हुआ कोई भी सिमुलेशन मैच.
Unbelievable dude. Unfucking believable. मैं BC हूँ जो इसमें आया.
That paragliding guy.
Yeah.
नहीं बोला. Look how calm he is under pressure.
Sure, maybe he is also nervous. वो गालियाँ दे रहा है offline बैठ के. Oh, there's a swing in the air. Why is it swinging in the air? This is a standard pitch.
Last over, sorry. Red Malinga is bowling the last over, yaar.
Mera 11 versus Dhruva 11 was more exciting than this man.
सही है. Sometimes ऐसा होता है. Finals end up as a flop matches, but.
Let me change the quality. Now we shouldn't pause.
Oh my god.
In comparison to Pacers, so they have a lot of them in their lineup. बोल रहा था मैं. It's smooth here. I think Adil, it's Dhruva's stream. That's what a nice shot. Finally.
Yeah, 115 is not a bad thing after a bad start.
And 115 for 3. This actually looks like first round for us. Remember, first round was very low scoring. There were not many sixes, and we were worried why it's happening. And then we modified the stadiums and everything. So 115 in 10 overs. Wow. 115 in 8 overs.
8 overs में they are gonna chase. Looks as if.
Steve Pereira, the way he played in semi-final, smashed. Lyndall Simmons,
Rishabh Pant.
हो गया. Shot.
यार 4.
Highlight of this tournament. Scored well in power play. They've actually put it higher. Let's see how it works. Wow, look at this shot. That is a 6. को देख के बड़ा हुआ है फिर.
इमरान खान को देख के मैं ही बड़ा नहीं हुआ वो कहाँ से हो गया?
Actually not batting so well. ऋषभ पंत वही कर रहा है जो परेरा कर रहा था. Oh, finally. In the gap 4 shot. Yeah. But good field setup on the leg side, and he's also bowling from that end. So that's. Oh, gone.
That's the first wicket.
Rishabh Pant is gone. The god of India goes. Actually, he was bowling in the same area for the last couple of deliveries. वो वही था. I think the plan was to let him lob it in the air. Harris conceded 15 in the first over, so he's been quite expensive and concedes another boundary. See?
Oh my god.
Is it a 6?
That's just exactly.
What is this
White-
ball? What
white
is
ball.
this batting?
That's
White
that's a
ball.
tortoise ball.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, this
okay.
one is
So
like,
that's
this
four.
is a nice shot. But they are on track. That I have to say. Oh my goodness me! That is a 6.
Acha, 6. Okay, wonderful shot. Another 6.
नहीं,
It's into the
It's
trees.
a,
No,
it's
it's a
one bounce
4.
4.
Oh
40
my
runs in
days.
1 over. वो तो
It's unforgettable forever for life.
that's the highlight of the tournament. I have to say, Panoti performance of the tournament.
Wonderful.
Another boundary? No. Oh, that couldn't be stopped. I have to say, something is not working for Hellboys today. Maybe it's luck, maybe the pitch. I really don't know. 1 over, only conceding 4 runs, one wicket as well. This time he concedes a boundary.
I don't think it's a cliffhanger. It's a one-sided लग रहा है मेरे को.
Let's see. Things change very quickly in 10 overs. Who we were kind of doubting.
Clap.
Like that is very well played. That is incredible.
ये तो मॉर्गन वाला नॉक है क्या?
हाँ, it's like a bit slower, but kind of. Steve Smith comes in 6 of 30 actually, less than 50.
अरे यार, this should be over in 3 hours if I'm not wrong.
That's in the gap.
Oh यार,
यार,
इसको
ये
रोक ये एफर्ट भी नहीं डाल रहा है रोकने के लिए. Got it, Pradeep. Shot यार 4. Equal and opposite reaction of what you give, you get it back.
3 boundaries. Usually when he comes, he at least picks up a wicket, or is quite economical. But वो तो reverse sweep पे चौके मारा है Pollard यार. It's going that way easily because 30 of 24 is something has to seriously go wrong for LMS to not chase this.
नहीं यार, wrong नहीं होगा.
Dude, this was
Queensland
also in
cricket.
the zone to catch, man. I have to say, I don't play this game, but even if play a person like me who plays this game, I think it's easy to chase.
I mean, yeah, life is all about this. You win 5 games, you win 6 games, and you might lose the 7th game. Unbelievable.
But what went wrong, man? If LMS win this, which looks quite straightforward to me, I would give a credit to their spinners.
I think I will give credit to Kushal Pereira.
हाँ, वो तो है ही है. But their spinners, the way because 2 of their spinners they were 2 maidens, remember? In a T10 cricket match. 16 of 18, man. With this current run rate, the projected was around 150 inside edge. Why didn't this Hellboys score around that? 150?
नहीं यार, वो कुशाल परेरा का प्रॉब्लम था. He batted brilliantly last time, तो इस बार he had to fail. It's like 1 minute up and 1 minute down.
Very strange, man. Very very strange. इतना contrasting innings मैंने नहीं देखा. Like एक मैच में 30 बॉलों पे 70. अगले मैच में 15 बॉलों पे 10 नहीं हो रहा. This over so far.
Wonderful over. Oh my god.
Is this getting
Good
closer
bowling.
and closer, man?
This is getting impressive. It's very impressive. Come on. Come on, Imran. One more dot ball. Oh, no.
Oh, I think that's नहीं.
Oh, he stops it.
एक ही. Oh,
Dan,
man,
Vettori.
just joking, man. Don't. Oh, this might be. Oh no, this is it.
His experiences has failed in the final match.
We have clearly doubted Lendl Simmons. Oh, it's got.
Gone. He's gone, yaar. That's
Seven-
okay. Actually, did he touch the line? मेरे
हाँ,
को लगा he did.
मुझे लगा.
Wow, legend is gonna hit the wave. Well
this
played,
is
yaar.
really great
Simmons,
inning,
well
man.
played.
This is like wow. Art.
Oh my god, I'm nervous.
It's.
I am nervous.
Oh, this is bound 4, not 6. 4. What,
Is it?
6? 4. Oh, it's a 6. 2 runs of 8 balls. Wow. Oh, that's a boundary. Is that the winning runs? That is the winning runs. Hey, yaar.
LMS are the champions.
LMS.
Yeah, season
Wow,
2.
wow, wow,
LMS
wow.
are the champions. Congratulations to LMS for winning DNU season 2. This is the moment.
Wow. That is
There
amazing.
you
man.
go.
That
Season
is
2
amazing.
winners.
Congratulations,
winners.
LMS. What a way to win this tournament. At one point you were exposed, not looking very good, but wow.
Congratulations, LMS. Okay.
Yeah, congratulations to LMS, but well, um, the way the Hellboys played in this tournament was just very impressive. I don't think we have ever seen such strong team before.
LMS stole the show in the final moment.
What
Wonderful,
a way,
and
man.
I'm so happy for LMS.
That midway
actually.
in the round 3 or 4 when you brought the when you captained Pollard. First of all, Captain Pollard was not the captain. I think they made him captain and they brought him at number 3. That moment I think changed LMS's cricket completely. Credit also goes to the LMS's bowling performance because wo jo Liam Dawson bowling first over maiden, then Shakib also I think bowled a maiden.
Shaki bowled a maiden, yeah, actually, yeah.
तो दो maiden अगर 10 overs में हो जाएं, then
There you go.
look at this. Yeah, there were 2 maidens, one by Shakib, one by Dawson.
Awesome, yeah.
When you have 2 maidens in 10 over cricket, then yeah, I think it's your day basically.
115 was not enough on that pitch. Shayad 140 could have been defendable, but yeah.
Yeah. 140 35 इतना होता तो और मज़ा आता, थोड़ा और क्लोज जाता. आखिरी ओवर में 12-15 रन चाहिए होते, could have been more fun to watch. But I mean, great match all around. Good cricket. We enjoyed it. And what a tournament!
Actually. Season 2 finally, after 1.5 months, we finally finished. Do you guys know we spent 24 hours on this stream, sub streams mila ke. So that's like
Nice, man.
a lot of stress and effort. So yeah, thanks to Slow Death for participating. He was the guy who suddenly registration दिन में आ गया suddenly, and he immediately trusted us. Money pay कर दिया and he joined. फिर धैर्य सर वो दिखाई नहीं. I don't know how he looks, how he
Mr.
looks.
India.
He came up thanks to Kalpit for bringing Dhairya sir, and also Krish Maiki, despite being marriage, busy life, all that stuff, he came in. Thanks for all the support, and LMS winners, Hellboys, thank you so much. Thank you so much for all your support. Please keep supporting us. We will come back next season more strong. See you next time. Let's meet in Discord and have fun. Thank you so much.
Thank you guys.
Bye bye.
Bye. Have a nice time after the streams.